In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you change your app appearance on Microsoft Edge browser. Simple and easy, how to turn on dark and light mode. So all we are going to do is we tap on our hamburger menu at the bottom right of our screen. Good. And now we move to our settings. Good. And if you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to the channel. So now let's scroll to the top. And you can see appearance and layout. We tap on that here. Good. And you can see theme here, so we can switch. I'm on the light now. We can tap on the dark. Then we move to dark, and then light, and then we move to light. And also you can turn on dark mode for all your web pages. Yeah, so for all your web pages you view, you can just turn on dark mode. So these are the settings here. You can hop on this section, glance through, and then get to do your 1 2 3 settings here. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you have any question, you let me know in the comment section too as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. Peace.